day everyone. Our topic for today is School of Linguistics. What are the main School of Linguistics? Linguistics is the study of language as a universal and recognizable part of human behavior. It aims to analyze and describe language and how it is organized to meet human needs in addition to its function. In the late 19th Europe with different approaches to the study of language. Functionalism, structuralism, cognitivism. Functionalism. Functionalism is a linguistics school that is concerned with the function of language in society. It is interested in how language is used to communicate meaning and how it influences social interaction. Functionalists believe that language is tool that humans use to interact with each other, and that it plays an important role in shaping our social world. Functionalists have identified three main functionalized functions of language: communication, control, representation. Communication. The primary function of language is to communicate information and ideas between people in order to achieve some kind of shared understanding. Functionalists emphasize that language is a means by which people communicate with each other. Control. Language is also a means of controlling the actions, feelings, and behavior of others. How we use language can shape the behavior of others and the way they respond to us. If a person uses language to maintain distance between himself and others, he is likely to experience less social interaction. Representation. Representation in linguistics refers to the way that spoken language is represented in the mind. With the advances in technology, communication has become more important than ever before. The ability to communicate effectively can be the difference between success and failure in many aspects of life. Structuralism. In linguistics, structuralism is an approach that emphasizes the study of language as a system of rules and components. Structuralists believe that all languages have the same basic structure and that this structure is universal. They also believe that language is a tool be studied scientifically. Cognitivism. Cogni- con- Cognitivism is the linguistics school that emphasizes the mental processes involved in language use. Proponents of this approach are that language is tool for thinking and that understanding language requires understanding the mental processes that underlie it. Major branches of linguistics. Linguistics is the science of language. It is the subject whose practitioners devote their energy to understanding why human language is the way it is. They study the history, acquisition, structure, and use of as many languages as possible. List of branches of linguistics. Literary linguistics, semantics, pragmatics, syntax, phonetics, phonology. Semantics is concerned with the meaning of words and synthesis, while pragmatics is concerned with the use of language is context semantics. Semantics looks at how words and phrases can be used to conceal meaning, while pragmatics looks at how language is used in different contexts and how the context can affect the meaning of a word or phrases. Literary linguistics. Literary linguistics is a branch of linguistics that studies the language of literature and its structure. It is concerned with how meaning is created in literature, how language is used to shape meaning, and how meaning is interested. Syntax. Syntax is speech sounds and the rules and patterns between them. Phonetics. Phonetics is the study of the production and perception of speech sounds. And phonology concerns the study of more complex and abstract sounds pattern and structures. Thank you.